Welcome to the third chapter of my masterclass, Visual Doing for those who say they cannot draw. Often, I hear these frustrations from various professionals that they still can manage objects of everyday business, but they really cannot draw faces and moreover expressions for their characters while explaining how their client failed with a product or service. Yes, like any other drawing, faces of human characters of business professionals are indeed important to drive the point across the table. Whether an end user feels sad, angry, happy or delightful with a product or service. Even when we describe user persona, we need to draw faces and their expressions. If we fail to do that, the entire outcome gets lost. Hence, indeed this is an extremely important topic. The reason why it came in between the fourth chapter, that is creating objects with building block shapes, is the simple reason that I didn't want to make you follow this class like a book, but to enjoy every bit of it. Hence, I wanted us to explore this extremely fun chapter first before we jump into some serious drawings. In this chapter, we will learn to draw faces with simple strokes, but I want you to draw along with me, with your family and friends. So pens, papers and iPads ready? Let's get started. Just before starting this page, I would like to inform you that by drawing, we are not expecting a Picasso or a Van Gogh painting here. We are talking about how to create faces that solve our purpose. The purpose of making your idea heard. The purpose of driving your point across. This drawing should be first simple and meaningful. That is what we expect. I will first show you what we want to achieve, then I will draw one myself, and in the third step, you will draw along with me. So here are the first few examples. Now, let me quickly show you one face. Observe carefully. You first create a nose. Cool, right? We will draw 66. Right? We'll just draw a curve like this. Put an arrow like this. Draw a line like this from the left. Draw a line like this from the right. Draw inverted C, an arrow for the ears, and we will create some waving lines like this as the hair. I click and create a circle. That's your neckline. One line from the left, one line from the right. So your Patrick is here. Now follow me one step at a time. So pens, papers, iPad ready? Let's get started. You first create the nose. It's just like a U or a V. This time I will create a different types of eyes. 2 circles. Wow. And let's have 2 small dots inside. I will draw a curve like I have done earlier. One arrow showing that this person is happy. One curve from the left. One curve from the right. Draw a C over here, an arrow. Let him have some curly hairs. One circle for the neckline, one line to the left, one line to the right. So here it goes. Step 1, the nose. Step 2, the eyes. Step 3, the smile. Step 4, the line from the left. Step 5, the line from the right. The ear can be the step 6. Here step 7. The neck step 8, and the collars step 9 and 10. So with these 10 steps you can create any character and their face with their expressions. Isn't it cool? But one thing, you necessarily need not to follow step 1 after step 2, step 3, step 4 like that. You can create these steps at any point of time, but it is a total of 10 steps. Super simple, isn't it? You know what? Now you are graduated to create any type of simple face to explain your point. You might ask me, by only drawing one face? Yes, my dear friend, only by drawing one simple face. Because now you know the pattern and sequence of strokes to form a face. Using this sequence of strokes, you can draw any face that you want. Male or female, old or young, even celebrities and famous persons. By modifying simple strokes, you can create varieties of expressions too. Let's see some more. Again, pen and paper ready? Let's draw. So I will now show you series of faces with their mannerism and expressions. So the first one that I will do is a lady. This time we will use a different type of nose. Okay? I am also creating a different type of eyes. 2 elliptical shapes, and inside we will have 2 small dots. Let this character also be smiling. So we will create a smiling face. One line from the left. You create the ear as an inverted C and a small arrow. One line from the right. Let this lady have very curly hair. A V-shaped neckline, a line to the left, a line to the right. Let us name this character as Martha. You can also color your characters. I will not color all of them, but I can definitely show you some colors. You can also give some color to Martha's hair, that can be brown. Wow, our first character is ready. Let's clear our slate. Let us create a very angry office boss. We can create our same old nose. We can create the eyebrows like this. Let us create 2 circles and put the eyeballs here. We have a different type of mouth that shows that he is very angry. Again, a line from the left, a line from the right, the ear as an inverted C, the arrow inside for the inside of the ear, and give some hair just above the ear and give him a bald shape. We can create some collars, give a tie, one to the left, one to the right. Your angry boss is ready. You can definitely give some level of colors to this character. Say if we try to give him a yellow tie and say a very light sky blue shirt. This time we'll create an Indian character, a Sardarji or a Sikh person. We'll create the same eyes, circular eyes, a same nose, a smiling Sardarji, we create the turban from here. Put the ear and add some beard. You can also add mustache if you wish to. Circular collar, one line to the left, one line to the right. Your Sardarji is ready. You can also, as I have told, you can also color your characters. You can give the Sardarji a very yellowish, lemon yellowish color of the turban. Nice and easy. And you can also give a matching t-shirt to the Sardarji. Let us again clear our slate and start afresh. This time I will create a schoolgirl. We can start with 66. Our angular nose. We can have her smiling. Left line, right line, and we can have a different hairstyle. You can have a double triangle over here, and over here some strands of hair. You can wear some flowery dress, one line to the left, one line to the right. Your schoolgirl is ready. This time I will create an old man. How do we create it? our usual nose, a very bubbly old man that we want to create, a very smiling old man, one line from the left, one line from the right, and here goes the ear. This old man can have some level of baldness and some level of white hair just above the ear, and some white eyebrows, a V neck, and a collared shirt. One line to the left, one line to the right. The old person is ready. You can also give some thin lines of wrinkles to suggest that this person is old. That's it. Your old person is ready. Now, using just simple strokes, you can create various types of expressions. You did not to always create detailed faces, but only circle like we see in the emoticons. You can also do various type of expressions. So first expressions may be this person is daydreaming and he is smiling of his own. He might be dreaming of a car. So this person is daydreaming. You can also create a person winking. You can create an angry person. Or you can also create a person who is extremely sad. So if you can see that just using some very simple strokes, you can create various type of expressions, and you don't need to be a Picasso or a Van Gogh. So, already feeling proud of yourself? Give a big round of applause to yourself. You have now seen how you yourself have broken the myth about your inability to draw. Don't you feel empowered and a sense of achievement? We will see more in the upcoming chapters. Till then, goodbye.